Welcome to our video on VSDC, a powerful and feature-rich video editing software for Windows. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what VSDC has to offer and how you can use it to create professional-looking videos. Head over to www.videosofdev.com and download the free version of VSDC for Windows, Mac, and Linux. First, let's talk about the interface. VSDC has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, even for beginners. The main window is divided into several sections, including the video timeline, the media library, and the effects panel. This makes it easy to find the tools you need and stay organized while editing. One of the great things about VSDC is the wide range of editing tools it offers. You can do basic editing tasks like trimming and splitting, as well as more advanced tasks like color correction, audio editing, and special effects. The software also has a built-in color correction tool that allows you to adjust the color balance, saturation, and brightness of your video. Additionally, you can add various effects such as filters, transitions, and animations to your videos. VSDC also offers a wide range of export options, so you can share your videos on social media, upload them to YouTube, or save them in a format suitable for playback on your computer or mobile device. You can also export your videos in 4K or even in 8K. In terms of the video format support, VSDC can handle almost any video, audio, and image format, including HD, 4K, and even 360-degree videos. This makes it a great choice for people who need to work with different types of media. Additionally, VSDC has a built-in video stabilization feature that helps to smooth out shaky footage, which is great for videos that were shot on a mobile device or a handheld camera. In conclusion, VSDC is a powerful and feature-rich video editing software that offers a wide range of tools for editing, color correction, audio editing, and special effects. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide range of export options, making it a great choice for people who want to create professional-looking videos. Give it a try and see for yourself why VSDC is quickly becoming a popular choice for video editing. Another great feature of VSDC is its ability to work with multiple layers. This allows you to overlay different elements on top of each other, such as text, images, and videos. This can be useful for creating title sequences, picture-in-picture effects, and other creative compositions. Another unique feature is the ability to create masking effects. This allows you to apply effects or adjustments to specific areas of your video, rather than the entire frame. This can be useful for blurring out faces or license plates, or for creating a vignette effect. VSDC also offers a range of tools for working with audio. You can adjust the volume, apply audio effects, and even create a voiceover. The software also includes a built-in audio equalizer, which can be used to adjust the balance of different frequencies in your audio. Additionally, VSDC offers a wide range of tools for working with animation. You can create animations using keyframes, which allow you to specify how an element should move or change over time. This can be useful for creating text animations, logo animations, and other motion graphics. Another great feature of VSDC is the ability to work with 360-degree videos. This allows you to create interactive videos that can be viewed from all angles. This can be useful for creating virtual tours, real estate videos, and other interactive content. Finally, VSDC is a great choice for people who want to create videos for YouTube and other online platforms. The software includes a range of templates and presets that can be used to create YouTube-compatible videos with the appropriate resolution and aspect ratio.